Hi, everybody. My name is Kyle Maureen,
Hi, I'm Mr. Joe Sabito.
and we're here to introduce to you a great option for your 11th grade language arts and U.S. history class, American Ethnic Studies.
All right, so what is it? Our Humanities American Ethnic Studies is a block schedule class, which means it lasts 2 consecutive periods. This combines your junior year language arts class with your junior year U.S. history class, so you'll end up getting credit for both. I think it's important to note that with the dissolving of our ACE class, or Anti-Racism and Civic Engagement class, that this is going to be the more foundational class for that interpretation.
So, if you have been interested in that class as an elective or ethnic studies, more specifically, know that this is a brand new course that is being offered for you during junior year next year. We wanted to make this video to tell you a little bit about the class and introduce you to the opportunity that is a block class. Taking class for 2 hours a day is very different, and weaving together both your language arts and your social studies credit with this new focus of ethnic studies is a great opportunity for all 11th graders. Our content covers the scope of U.S. history from pre-colonial indigenous history up through about the year that you were born. We will read at least 5 different novels from American authors, the majority of whom are Black American authors. That covers much of the 19th and 20th century experiences. Kindred is one of the books that we've already read this year, and we will certainly be reading it next year. Their Eyes Were Watching God, The Things They Carried, The Crucible, and John Lewis's graphic novel, March.
So, as a student in our classroom, you can expect a lot of group and solo projects, a lot of opportunities to engage in meaningful discussions, both small groups and at the whole class level, really connecting historical events to our contemporary existence. We'd like to provide as many interactive choose your own adventure lectures as possible, really kind of change up the learning environment and make it a little more exciting, have a little more agency. Always engaging in occasional tomfoolery, but with a real focus on fostering a safe, student-centered environment. We encourage all of our students to engage, participate actively, and use and lift their student voice.
One of our commitments with the workload in this class is because of the double block and the extra time for project work and engaging in our classwork, we are really committed to having no homework outside of the school day. This can be an appealing option for students too. We want to be upfront about that. And we will see projects that will weave in the different standards for both disciplines. Yes, there will be a lot of writing, but there will also be a lot of speaking and listening throughout the course too. We're really excited about this option and wanted to take this time before you guys select your classes next week to make sure that you knew about this, that it is an option, that it again counts for both credits, a full year of 11th grade English, a full year of 11th grade social studies. It is an integrated one class that you would spend 2 hours in each day.
All right, so who should sign up? It's important to know that there's an option for an honor selection. So if you like history and literature, I'd encourage you to add that option. Students interested in cultural, social, and political issues should definitely join our class. Students who like a variety of learning methods, the opportunity to engage, express, and be represented in many different ways in class should definitely join our Humanities American Ethnic Studies class. Students who enjoy hands-on work, that's very, very prevalent in our classroom, and students who want meaningful interactions with their peers and teachers. We try to routinely schedule those into instruction, and students who like their learning to be both fun and impactful. Always lots of fun in our classroom over here at South 101.
All right, so how to sign up. You'll hear from your counselors soon about the Humanities American Ethnic Studies class. Again, this is both your language arts and history. Again, this opportunity for ethnic studies as a general education offering is brand new to Ballard. That's why we wanted to make this video for all of you this year to encourage you to sign up and see what kind of demand is out there for our rising 11th graders. Please seek out any of our students to ask for testimonials about their experience in here, and we hope to continue to see humanities as a block class and specifically ethnic studies grow here at Ballard.
Thank you all.